Hi my beautiful people, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create 4 super easy ponytails that you can recreate in minutes. But guys, let me share first my Google Hair extension. Google Hair has Black Friday and now you can save 20% of your purchase, and it begins from 18 November already, right? And it will be until 13 November. Guys, make sure to check out Google Hair extensions. I'll leave my special link for 20% here in description box. Make sure to check it out and take your favorite beautiful hair extensions. But now let's jump in right into the tutorial and make our super easy ponytails.
For our first ponytail, we want to select our top crown section and we want to make a ponytail with it. Then we want to make an opening and bring the ponytail through this opening like so. Then we want to grab our lower section and bring it through the opening again up. Then we want to tie all these sections together like I'm showing, creating a loop like so. We want to tie it with a clear elastic, and then you want to cover your elastic with your hair, tuck it into the elastic underneath the end, and you're done. For the next hairstyle, we want to select again our top section and we want to make an opening and bring the ponytail through it. Loosen it a bit, and then you want to grab all your sections all together and you want to tie it with a clear elastic, covering the elastic with some hair from the ponytail like that. And as always, don't forget to tuck into the elastic underneath the end so it will be secure. Also guys, you can use a scrunchie instead of covering your elastic with your hair. It looks nice as well and cozy, right? For the third hairstyle, we want to select our top section, but this time a little more hair than before. Then you want to divide into 2 remaining sections like I'm showing and bring first section crisscrossing our ponytail into the crown section like I'm showing, leave it for later, and repeat on the other side crisscrossing the previous section like I'm showing. Easier to see and repeat than explain it, right? Then you want to bring these 2 sections underneath your ponytail and tie it using a clear elastic. Cute, right? For the last hairstyle, we want to select our side sections and leave them away for later, tying the rest. You want to make a Topsytail again. Then grabbing a small tiny section from this side, you want to divide it into 2 and begin a rope braid, adding hair only to the section near our face. So as we are braiding, we add hair only to the front section, finishing with a simple rope braid. So basically a rope braid is twisting each strand one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. You want to repeat this steps on the other side again. Now tie these both braids over your ponytail and tuck it into the Topsytail as well. Loosen it a bit and yes, you're done guys. Guys, tell me please in comments down below which of these ponytails was actually your favorite. Check out Google Hair for your dream hair. But that's it for today. Love you guys so much and see you soon in my next video. Bye!